Okay, now with my two jellyfish in place, I'm going to create the pattern using some advanced pattern tools. But because I'm such a perfectionist, I don't like that the tips of these two shapes are too much the same, so I'm going to change one here a bit. Last thing, I promise. And move this point a bit, and then use the convert point tool. I could use the smooth tool also, but I want to show you the anchor point tool, or the convert anchor point tool. Lets me click on corner points and turn them into curve points. I'll zoom out, Command 0. Choose the regular selection tool, press the space bar to move things over, and I believe I will use the direct selection tool with the Option key pressed to select both of these items in these two separate groups and flip them over on themselves. Oops, let's try that again. Click, shift click. There we go. And arrow keys. So that was using the direct selection tool with the Option key so that I could select objects that were in two separate groups. So you might want to rewind and watch that part again. All right, last adjustment here. I think I will actually move some of these over and just see if I like the depth that that creates as my last change. Yeah, that looks great. That's much more what I was thinking about in terms of my idea for the jellyfish tentacles. I'll move this one back a little bit. Here, I'll do that trick again. Option, click and drag a box around the tip of both of these shapes from two different groups. Move over a bit, click away. Option click on one, that selects the whole object in a group, so I can move it over separately. So yeah, now I'm getting the kind of depth that I had originally imagined when I was thinking about drawing jellyfish in the first place. And this one I made all in one unit, or unified this shape. So it's not as easy to offset this, but I'll try anyway. I'll just move it over a little bit to the left. And I'm fine with them not being too similar. I like the depth that this is creating. And the last little job I'm going to do here is I'm going to take this bottom point and make it look like it's a finished underneath, or closing a circle in a sense of the jellyfish body. If I can just select this one little piece. Okay, so when this happens to you, I'm going to zoom in here and minus and zoom in so that you can get the points selected when you're having trouble selecting objects that are too close to each other. And really, I'm about to stop making tweaks on this, and I like it. This little guy needs to go up. I like to check, double check my work. So really this video is not about with this, and I will see you in the next movie.